everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi, and in today's video I will be showing you how to draft a Peter Pan collar full round, and for this drafting I have used the basic bodice block as the base. You can find the links to the basic bodice block tutorial in the description box below. Additionally, all the tools used in the video such as paper, scale and other essentials are also listed in the description, so make sure to check it out. Start by tracing the back bodice block onto a sheet of paper. Next, mark 4 inches from the shoulder tip to create an overlap. Align the front bodice block so that the front neckline starts exactly where the back neckline ends. Once aligned, trace the front bodice block as well. Now move to the neckline adjustment. Extend the back neckline outward by 1/8 inch and draw a new smooth neckline curve. For the front neckline, move 1/4 inch down and redraw the front neckline curve. These adjustments help the collar sit properly around the neck. Next, measure and mark 2.5 inches width all around the newly adjusted neckline. This will define the width of the Peter Pan collar smoothly. Connect the marks, especially curving the front side, to give it the proper Peter Pan collar. Once the shape is complete, carefully cut along the markings to separate the collar pattern from the paper. Now take another piece of paper and fold it in half. Place the collar pattern on the fold, trace it and mark it clearly with a marker or pencil. Then cut out the collar pattern. The seam allowance is optional. You can either add it directly to the paper pattern or while cutting the fabric, depending on your preference. And that's how you draft a perfect Peter Pan collar. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more pattern making and fashion design tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.